Save and repair your vision with the help of only one ingredient. A group of medical experts from Italy have found the magical cure for vision loss which is caused by old age. Well, the study has showed that this food can stop and prevent vision loss and even reverse vision loss in candidates with macular degeneration due to age. We can say that these are really good news for people who are concerned about their eyes and have problems with their eye health. Macular degeneration. What's macular degeneration? Well, in case you didn't know, macular degeneration is one of the main reasons for blindness. The macula is located in the eye center and it's responsible for the central part of our field of vision. The macula degenerates in people who suffer from this type of eye condition, usually in older people. But unfortunately sometimes it can occur to younger and healthy people as well. This happens when the center of visual field is damaged. Well, you should also know that sometimes this degeneration won't cause any problems for you. But after some time the visual field will change and it will go from waviness to blurriness and it will create a hole right in the center of the vision field. In this condition the secondary vision may be unaffected. But still, people who suffer from macular degeneration are considered as blind people. This type of eye condition can be very serious and many people are affected by it more than cataracts and glaucoma. You should also know that genetics can be important as well, and in many cases it can be irritated and aggravated by smoke. Macular degeneration and saffron. Have you ever heard of saffron? Saffron is a spice with vibrant orange color and it's used in many Indian dishes and meals. This spice can reduce the problems and the side effects related with vision and even cure the existing eye problems. Well, all people who enjoy good Indian food are happy to hear that. This spice can improve your vision significantly and it will protect it as well. It's very simple, you will protect your eyes just by eating delicious Indian food. You should also know that carrots are also extremely important when it comes to vision problems. So make sure you eat lots of carrots every day. The research. Many medical experts from Italy joined this study in order to find out and learn more about the health benefits of saffron and how this spice can help people to improve their eyesight and reduce the eyesight problems due to macular degeneration. The people who participated in this study ate 20 milligrams of saffron every day for 3 months. After 3 months, all participants were tested. The medical experts have noticed improvement of the retina in participants with macular degeneration due to age, and their results were much better compared to the results of the participants in the placebo group. Saffron is very expensive. In case you didn't know, saffron is very expensive spice. But fortunately you can receive its health benefits if you use saffron supplements, which are much cheaper. You can find them and buy them on Amazon. Natural ways to keep your eyes healthy. Mango. Did you know that if you eat 3 servings of mango every day you can reduce the chances of getting macular degeneration by half? Well, yes, because mango is loaded with vitamin A and lutein and zeaxanthin. Vitamin A is extremely important and beneficial when it comes to eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin are extremely powerful antioxidants which can protect your eyes from the high energy light levels, including the harmful UV rays. We all should take care of our eyes because we can't do anything without them. People nowadays are experiencing different eyes problems such as cataracts, diabetic retinopathy and macular degeneration. This is why you should be extra careful and take care of your eyes. First of all, you should consume the right foods. And yes, you should start protecting your eyes in all natural way by consuming more of these vitamins. These vitamins are extremely important if you want to improve your eyesight and prevent eye problems. These are the most important vitamins when it comes to eye health. Vitamin E, Vitamin C, Provitamin A carotenoid, Vitamin A. Did you know that lack of vitamin A increases the chances of cataracts and macular degeneration? Bioflavonoids. Lycopene, it can lower the chances of macular degeneration and it can prevent cancer. Lutein and zeaxanthin, these powerful antioxidants, can also reduce the risk of getting macular degeneration and other eye problems as well. As you can see, just by eating these foods you can significantly reduce the risk of getting macular degeneration and improve your eyesight as well. Consume foods that contain high amounts of vitamin E, A, C, lycopene, lutein, etc., and your eyesight will be improved. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family.